Okay, the last resources I wanted to talk about were the novel guides. So I'm going to open up the example first. We're in sixth grade, so I'm just going to open up this example novel guide. So what you're going to see through the novel guide is keeping within the routines of Savvas, just like the basic overview, how you might want to launch the unit. We've also emphasized your grade level skills that need to be thought about. If there's any background pieces that need to happen, we've pulled out vocabulary for you, ways to hook the kids into. When we asked the lit cohort for feedback, people were pretty 50-50 about separating the book either into chapters or into key scenes. So we went ahead and did both. We've got a reading roadmap and a key scene spotlight. You'll also see that there are specific to the skills for that grade. So for instance, we wanted to really keep track of the central idea in sixth grade. We wanted to plot across episodes or chapters in sixth grade. And we also wanted to analyze character response. Those were all specific to sixth grade. So that's in here as well. And then you also have a skill progression. What do we want to see as we begin the reading with the book? What should the kids be doing in the middle? And what should they be doing at the end? And what are your teacher moves to get the kids there? We also have quite a few different assessment options. There's literary analysis, theme essays, discussion-based assessments. As you can see, this is very similar to the Savvas text in that there is a lot of choices, more choices than you could probably ever offer, right? So this is, again, a planning guide to help you as the teacher go through and figure out what pieces you want to implement yourself. So we've also got a task-specific rubric example. We've also got at the very end some supports and differentiation pieces that you can take a look at. Some are extensions, and then some are ways to chunk the text or provide other pieces for your students. So more than you could ever teach within that unit. So you're going to have to really kind of go through and use it as a planning document. And again, if you come here and see that your novel that you're about to start teaching does not have a guide yet, you can, in fact, take a look at the blank template and fill that out or use it as a guide to help in intentionally thinking about how you'll use that novel within the unit. The big takeaway is that these resources are here to support your planning, not to script every instructional decision. The scope and sequence gives us a shared direction. The pacing guide gives us a possible path. The resource pages give us examples and tools. The novel guides help us connect whole class reading to larger goals within the unit. And as we continue into year two, we'll keep listening to teacher feedback, refining the scope and sequence, and curating additional resources to make planning more manageable and instruction more consistent across the district. Please bookmark the language arts content page, use the version that works best for your brain, and keep checking back throughout the year as more resources are added.